I'm replacing the cabin filter on a 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan. It's a pretty simple one. It's right under the passenger side footwell. Little foam panel under here. You just undo these little plastic fasteners with your hand and pull this down. And this one is already hanging down here for me. So yeah, looks like somebody didn't have this locked into place that did it in the past. And so that's it. Usually you slide it to the side and then you pull it down. Put the new one in and then slide it so that this panel locks in like it should. And then put the piece of foam back in and you're all set. Thanks.